Good girl. Be nice to Poppy. Give Grandma Cheerios. No. Bring Grandma the Cheerios. Give them to Grandma. Grandpa, you're going to make her fall down.
Are we putting the Cheerios away? Come here.
Bring them to Grandma.
No.
Yeah, now she got distracted. We were bringing those to Grandma.
Oh. Put the
Now
Cheerios
she's
away.
going the wrong way.
Put the Cheerios away, not in your bedroom, not like Mommy.
Come here. Turn around. You bring them back to Grammy. Bring them to Grammy.
Where's your phone?
Mine?
No, your mother's.
Oh, there's some of them.
There you go. Bring them back to Grammy.
See if you can wire it. It should only take 2 minutes because it's just a push-in thing, but all that money, I don't want to be pushing the wrong wires and then burning shit up.
Okay, put it down. Or give it to Grandma.
I think this is still his number, but
Told you it was.
just press here. I said.
No! Give them to Grammy.
Thank you, baby. What a good girl.
There you
Good
go.
job. Yay.
Yay! Are you going to clap for yourself?
Yay. Good job. Big girl. Yay. Don't go in there. You get a boo-boo.